Hi everyone. Um, this is a rainbow necklace for kids. I have purchased online. It arrived today, so I thought I should write. I made small review. Actually, it's my first review. So our all the necklace quality is very good. It have that shiny round plastic balls, hard plastic balls actually. Actually. It can also be resized from here. It's currently the size on this knot can be moved upward mm, like this. It can be moved upward so that it can be extended like this. So overall, it's very good for little kids of 3 or 4 years. Um, if you want to buy it, check the link in description. I got this in free, so you might have to pay a few $1 or $2 for this to get it. But the quality is very good. I thought I would like to share it with you people. Thanks. Have a nice day.